Welcome back to the AI Week, the show where we count down the 5 biggest AI stories shaping our world right now.
And this week is wild. We've got Disney going to war with AI companies, Apple unleashing new AI powers in your pocket, and OpenAI stepping straight into the social media game.
That's right. We're talking about technology that's rewriting entertainment, creativity, and even our identities. So, stay tuned because story number 1 this week could completely redefine how social media works.
Let's dive in, starting with number 5.
At number 5, deepfake scams have officially gone viral, and not in a good way. TikTok and Instagram are being flooded with AI-generated videos that look and sound exactly like real creators, celebrities, and even charity workers.
Yeah, one case went viral this week, where an AI clone of influencer Charles Ray was used to promote a fake fundraiser. Thousands of followers donated before realizing the video wasn't real. The real Charles had nothing to do with it.
What's scary is how convincing these AI-generated videos have become. They use cloned voices, facial expressions, even emotional tone. The scammers just feed a few seconds of real footage into an AI model and boom, instant fake identity.
TikTok says they're rolling out watermarking tools to label AI-generated videos, but experts warn it's a losing battle. Detection tools can't keep up with generation speed.
And beyond scams, this shakes public trust. If you can't tell what's real, even authentic creators lose credibility. It's not just a content problem. It's a reality problem.
Exactly. And that theme, the blurring of real and artificial, is going to come up again in our top stories this week.
Coming in at number 4, it's Disney versus Character.ai in what might become a landmark battle over intellectual property in the age of AI.
This week, Disney's legal team sent multiple cease and desist letters to Character AI after discovering users had created interactive chatbots of beloved Disney characters, from Elsa to Darth Vader.
The bots weren't just playful fan creations. Some engaged in adult or politically charged conversations using those characters' likenesses. That's Disney's nightmare scenario.
It's easy to laugh, but this case could redefine where fan creativity ends and copyright infringement begins. If you can talk to your favorite character, is that protected speech, parody, or theft?
Exactly. Disney's move signals that major studios are ready to draw a hard line, and depending on the outcome, it could reshape how open AI platforms operate.
Imagine a world where companies start licensing AI likenesses of their characters directly, officially, for profit. It's coming, and it'll make the current entertainment model look ancient.
Which makes our next story about Apple even more interesting because they're quietly changing how everyone interacts with AI every day.
Number 3, Apple just dropped the biggest AI update in its history. The new iPhone 17 lineup features custom-built neural engines that bring advanced on-device AI. No cloud required.
We're talking live translation in real time, context-aware image descriptions, AI summarization in notes and mail, and even proactive task automation that learns your habits.
And here's the genius. All of it happens on your device. No data leaves your phone. Apple is positioning itself as the privacy-first AI company, a direct jab at OpenAI and Google.
Exactly. While other companies race for cloud power, Apple's playing the long game, building trust, and it's working. Pre-orders are record-breaking.
What's fascinating is how this could push the industry back toward local AI. We might be seeing the first step in decentralizing intelligence, away from giant data centers, back into personal devices.
So, Apple's betting on privacy. But over in Hollywood, another AI revolution is sparking a full-blown identity crisis.
Number 2 is something out of a sci-fi movie. Except it's real. Hollywood's first fully synthetic actress, Tilly Norwood, is now starring in a streaming series, and the backlash is massive.
Tilly looks, sounds, and emotes like a human. She's voiced by AI, animated using performance data from dozens of real actors, and, according to the studio, she never complains, never ages, and never needs time off.
That might sound efficient, but actors' unions are furious. SAG-AFTRA released a statement calling it the death of creative labor. Some actors even staged protests outside the studio's offices.
The public is torn. Some see Tilly as the next frontier of creativity. Others see her as a warning sign, a future where human emotion becomes just another data input.
And the ethical questions run deep. Who owns the data used to train her? Who gets paid if her likeness is based on real performers?
Exactly. It's not just art, it's identity. And that debate leads perfectly into our number one story this week. Because OpenAI might be on the verge of changing identity itself.
At number one this week, OpenAI officially launched Sora 2, the next generation of its video generation model, along with a brand new Sora app designed for social video creation.
The update includes a feature called Cameo Mode, which lets users insert themselves, or an AI version of themselves, directly in generated videos. You can appear in a fantasy movie, a product ad, or a comedy sketch with just a text prompt.
That's wild. It's like TikTok, but powered by generative cinema. No camera, no editing, just imagination.
But here's where it gets spicy. Sora's release puts OpenAI in direct competition with TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube. This isn't just a creative tool, it's a social platform.
And of course, regulators are watching closely. Deepfakes, consent, digital rights, all the same issues we saw in story number 5, now multiplied by millions of users.
Still, the excitement is undeniable. For creators, this could be a golden age. Anyone can make Hollywood-level content with zero budget. For everyone else, it's a bit terrifying.
If OpenAI's vision works, social media won't just be sharing your life anymore. It'll be designing your reality.
So, let's recap the week. AI deepfake scams on TikTok, Disney's copyright war, Apple's on-device revolution, Hollywood's synthetic actress, and OpenAI's bold leap into social video.
Every one of these stories connects to the same theme. AI isn't just changing technology, it's changing identity, creativity, and trust.
And here's the twist. Everything you just heard, the research, the writing, even this script, was created by AI.
That's right. You just listened to AI analyzing AI.
If you enjoyed the show, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to stay ahead of the curve.
And don't forget, from Monday to Friday, we bring you the AI Daily Deep Dive with quick news updates, and every Sunday, a full deep dive episode exploring one big AI theme in detail.
This has been the AI Week. The future is moving fast, and we'll be right here to help you keep up.